Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add your Google Authenticator to MEXC Global. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course make sure that you've already logged into your MEXC Global or MEXC. And once you've logged in, you will see the account section here. So it really depends on the layout of your screen. So once you see the account, you will just have to click it and then you will select security settings and look for Google Authenticator. What you will have to do once you see Google Authenticator is you will click enable and you will have to download the Google Authenticator app on your phone, which is either on iOS App Store or Google Play. And then after that, you will just have to scan the QR code shown on MEXC with the app, and you will have to copy the 6-digit code from the app, and then you will enter it on your MEXC website. And then after that, you will just have to complete the email verification by clicking the link sent to your inbox. And then after that, you will just have to click confirm and your Google Authenticator is now active. And yeah, that's basically just it. And also, you should keep your backup keys safe, and it's crucial for recovery if you lose your phone. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.